Han. How are you?
I'm good.
Wait. So, how's school? What's that? What is that, Han?
It's the ant.
An ant? Oh. So, how is your school?
Mm,
Is it happy?
yes.
What is your schedule for school? What is the time for school there?
It's 6:45.
What? 4 to 5?
6:45.
Oh, okay. 6:45 in the morning until what time
Can
will it end?
can you say again?
What time will your class end? What time you go out to school? Oh, out from school. So the start of your class is 6:45. What is the end?
Hmm.
You go out
Hmm.
whole day, or will you go out like 3 p.m.?
Hmm.
You don't understand? Okay. Okay. So we will continue our class. Okay, let me see. Let me check. Can you see the book now? Ooh. What is the last topic? So before we will start our class, let's watch a video first. Okay, where is the video? Here it is. I think is this the video? Okay.
Grammar in use. D. Listen and sing along. What did you do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday? Did you visit May?
Yes, I did.
Did you walk there in the rain? Did you travel there by train? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Did you travel far?
No, I didn't.
Did you climb up a tree? Did you watch shows on TV? What did you do yesterday?
So, what did you do yesterday? Do you understand that, Han?
Yes.
Where are you? Show me your beautiful face.
I'm here.
Where I can't see you.
Here, Mom.
Here you are. Oh, you're doing something? Okay. So, let's go back in here. So, we have here, what did you do yesterday? So, do you understand that, Han? What did you do yesterday?
I go to uh, I I go to play.
Oh, so since it is already done, it's already in the past, we will use the word went. Okay, so uh, am I right? You went to school? What did you say again? What did you do yesterday?
No.
What did you do yesterday?
I visit my grandparents.
You visit your grandparents. Wow. So because it already happened, it already in the past, you will use the word visited. It's the past tense of visit. Visited. Okay? What did you do yesterday? You'll say, I visited my grandparents. Can you say it again? Han? I visited my grandparents. I'll
I
type it.
visit my grandparents.
Okay, so since it already happened, it's in the past, we need to add ed in our verb, which is the visit. So it will be okay. I sent it in the chat box. I visited my grandparents.
I visited my grandparents.
Very good. So you will use the past tense form of the word visit because it already happened. It is already done yesterday. So the right word to use is visited and not visit. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, because it already happened. Okay. So now we will learn can you please read?
Simple past. Simple past.
Regular.
Regular verbs.
Very good. It's simple past regular verb. So, okay. So when we say simple past regular verbs, do you know what verb is? Can you remember what is verb? It is can you remember, Han? What is verb?
Verb is example run.
Okay, so verb is very good. Verb is an action word. That is the definition of the word verb. I sent it in the chat box, okay? Verb is an action word, okay? So, like what you said, run, like that. So now, when we say, when we say simple past regular verbs, oops, we will turn the verbs into past tense, okay? When it's already done. So, regular verbs, we will add D or ED at the end of the word to make it a past tense. Okay? For example, the word dance.
Dance.
Oh, look at the chat box, okay? Can you read it in the chat box? Can you see it? Can you see it in the chat box? No. I sent okay. So that is dance. Okay? So the past tense of dance when it is already done or it already happened. So what will happen is we will add D like that.
Dancer.
Danced. Danced.
Danced.
Oh, like
Dance.
that. So that is the past tense of the word danced. Okay, you just add D. How about
Walk.
okay, you type it.
Walk.
The past tense. What will be the past tense of the word walk?
Walk.
Very good. Walked. You add. What did you add? You add ed, right? Walked. You put ed you put ed at the last part to make it past tense. Okay. How about how about
Jump. Jump. Jump.
okay. Very good. You type it. Very good. How about
Car. Car.
very good. What else? Okay. Like what you said.
Wait a moment.
Visited. Very good. What else? So those words are regular verbs, okay? Regular, it is regular when you only add d or ed to change it, to make it past tense. Okay? Like dance, you just add d. Walk, you add ed for it to be past tense. Okay, so that is simple past regular verb. What else? Do you want to know more? How about
Enter.
very good? How about closed? Okay, so that is simple past regular verb. Okay. Actually, I don't understand this, so let's just skip that one. Okay, so now where did they go? How did they travel there? Practice with a partner. So, first, let's try first the first picture, okay? So, we have here, okay. I will be this girl first. Then you will be this guy. Okay? No. No. You will be this girl. Okay? This is Han. And this is teacher Reg. Reg. Oh, it's really difficult to write using a mouse. Okay. So, let's try. For example, can you read?
Where did he travel?
Okay, so let's look at number 1, okay? This picture. So, I'll say he traveled to New York.
Did he travel by ship?
Okay, so since we are looking at this picture, we will use this one.
Did he travel by horse?
Horse and cart. This is horse and cart. Han? Where are you, Han? Ah, there you are. Okay. Did he travel by?
Did he travel by? Did he travel by car?
Horse.
Horse.
Horse and cart.
Horse car.
Yes, he did. Is it? What is it?
Is it Grandpa Joe?
What it's supposed to answer in here? Okay, I'll say yes. Okay, let's go to number 2.
When did she travel?
Very good. She traveled to, where is that?
I don't know.
What country is that? Uh, I don't know too. Let's just say Vietnam. Let's just say Vietnam, okay? Okay. Again,
Where did she travel?
she traveled to Vietnam.
Did she travel by plane?
Plane.
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 Not plan. It's plane.
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 Like put like this. I'll chat, okay? It is read like this. Look.
Plane.
Yan. Again.
Plane.
Very good. That is how you read. That is how you read the word plane. Okay? It's plane, not plan. Okay? Again?
Plane.
Oh? Again?
Plane.
Again?
Plane.
Plane. Okay. So, okay, I'll answer. Yes, she did.
Is it Grandpa Leo?
What? We're still here.
Is it Grandma May?
Yes. Okay. How about this third picture?
Where did he travel?
He traveled to New York.
Did he travel by ship?
Yes, he did.
Is it Grandpa Leo?
Yes.
Leo is a cat.
Where is that? What?
Leo is a cat.
You is the cat? Okay, number 4.
What did she travel?
Again?
What did she travel?
She traveled to Vietnam.
Did he travel
She.
by? Did she travel by ship?
Yes, she did. What else? What's next?
Is it Grandma Helen?
Yes. Okay, let's switch. Let's switch hand. This will be me. I'll write it better this time. And this will be Han. Okay, I'll start. Where did he travel? Are you ready now? Where did he travel?
He traveled to New York.
Did he travel by horse and cart?
Yes, he did.
Is it fast?
No.
Very good. Okay, next. Where did she travel?
She traveled to Vietnam.
Did she travel by airplane?
Yes, she did.
Is it fast?
No.
No.
Yes.
Through plane?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Maybe she travels long.
I
Okay,
know.
okay. Next. Where did he travel?
He traveled to New York.
Did he travel by ship?
Yes, he did.
Is it slow?
No.
So it's fast?
Yes.
Okay. What is faster, airplane or ship?
Sheep.
Faster?
No.
What is faster, airplane or ship? Airplane, okay? Airplane is faster than the ship because ship will took you so many days for you to reach the destination. Okay, next, the last one, the last one. Where did she travel?
She traveled to Vietnam.
Did she travel by ship?
Mm, yes.
What's next? Yes.
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Yes.
She did.
Okay. Is it fast?
Can you say again?
Is it fast? Like shroom.
Slow.
It is slow. So you will answer no, it is slow. Okay, again. Is it fast?
Yeah.
Yes, no. You said no, it is slow. You say no, it is slow. No.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Okay, so ask your partner a question about how he or she traveled to school today. So, how did you travel to school today?
Mm,
What
can you
did,
say again?
what how did you travel to school today?
Mm, car.
Car? Okay. Okay, you'll say I traveled by car.
Travel by car.
Say like this. I traveled by
By car.
car. Again?
I traveled by car.
Very good. Woo. So now we will be learning new words. Can you please read?
Mm,
Couch.
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 Okay, so this is couch, okay? Do you have this at home?
No.
No, okay. So this is couch. How about next? What's this?
Chair.
Chair. So this is chair. Do you have chairs there? Of course. How about this one?
Lamp.
Lamp. So you use this to study.
Light.
You give us light. Okay. How about this? Oh, you have a lamp there, right?
Clock.
Clock. Very good.
Bathtub.
Bathtub.
I don't know bathtub.
You don't know bathtub?
Yeah.
So this is bathtub. Okay. We can see it at the CR. Okay. It is where you can lay down while taking a bath. You just lay down taking a bath. So there's a water here. Wait. So inside there's a water here. So it's like a swimming pool. It's like a small swimming pool where you can take a bath. It's in the CR. It can be seen in the CR in the comfort room or the bathroom. Okay?
Bathroom.
Yes. How about this?
Sink.
Sink.
I have a sink.
You have a sink. Very good. So maybe all of us have a sink. This is where we wash our hands, right? Right. Okay. So now we need to answer this activity 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will choose from the words above in this letter A. So we will put it here. Okay. So now, can you give me 5 minutes? I need to pee. Think about the answer first, okay? Han, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'll go to CR.
Mhm.
Okay? Okay, think about what's the answer here. I go to bathroom, the CR first. Okay?
Okay.
I'm back. Okay. Let's answer number 1. Can you please read?
What are 3 things we can sit it on?
Okay. What are the 3 things we can sit in or on?
Couch.
Couch,
Chair.
chair, very good. And the last one is
Sofa.
what?
Bathtub.
Very good. It's bathtub. Oops. I guess, yes. So, actually, we can see it here inside the bathtub, okay? For example, Anne is taking a bath in a bathtub. So, this will be you. You do this. Oh. So that is how you sit in the bathtub. So ugly drawing. Okay, number 2. Can you please read?
What are two things we wash in?
2 things we wash in.
Bathtub and
Very
sink.
good. Very good. So we can wash our body in the bathtub, and of course the sink where we can wash our hands. Okay, how about number 3?
What are three things we can see in a bedroom?
Ooh, 3 things we can see in the bedroom.
Lamp,
Oops, oops, oops. A lamp. Very good.
clock,
Clock
and chair.
and chair. Yes. Very good. Number 4. Can you please read?
What are two things we can see in a classroom?
Ooh, classroom. In your room at school. What can you see?
Chair,
Chair. Very good.
table,
We don't have a table in the word, in the letter A. We don't have table here. We can only choose here.
clock.
Clock. Yes, we have clock to check if it's already time to go home. Good job. Perfect score. I will give you a perfect check, 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 check,
Check,
check, check,
check,
check, check, check.
check.
Perfect. 100%. Oops. Oops. Okay. 100% for Han. So difficult to write with smiley. Okay. So now I will be listening some text, and you need to identify what thing I am describing. Okay? For example, yes, I already have an answer for number 1. So for number 1 is lamp. So this is the question for number 1. Listen carefully, okay? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Students. Students, this is a great museum. We can see things that people used a long time ago here. Look at this. How do you turn it on? You don't turn it on. There's a candle inside it. A candle. How did they read at night a long time ago? Most people didn't read at night, Emily. So that is their conversation. And the answer for that is lamp. Okay, so we will connect lamp. So lamp before has a candle inside. So I'll draw, okay. This is the lamp before. I don't know how to draw. So this is fire. This is candle. So, and okay. So, like that, and oh. So this is where they hold the lamp. Okay, so there, this is a glass outside, and inside there's a candle. So uh that is their lamp before. But now look at your lamp. So different, right? Before, it has a candle inside, but now there's no candle at all. Okay, I will read number 2. Okay, you need to listen very carefully because last time you got mistake. This time you need to listen carefully. You need to answer, what am I describing? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Listen. Did people sit in that and wash, Miss King? It's very small. Yes, they did a very, very long time ago. That one is very, very old. Where did the water come from? I no. Wait. I didn't fully write it. Okay, again. Wait, again. Can you see the book in the screen? Yes, okay. I'll read again. Okay, listen carefully again. Did people sit in that and wash, Miss King?
Miss King.
It's
It
very
is very
small.
small.
Oh, you see it? You see it? Where can you see it? Did you see it in my screen? What? Where did you see it? Okay. So what's the answer? You don't know? Okay, I'll read again. Yes, they did a very, very long time ago. That one is very old. Where did the water come from? They poured water in it from a big container, but first they heated the water. Good. So what's the answer for number 2?
What's a couch?
What?
What is a couch?
Your answer is couch?
No.
This? No?
It's a, a bathtub.
Very good. It's the bathtub. Okay, you connect this. Okay, so according to the passage or the text, you sit in that and wash. So it means it's a bathtub. Okay, next is number 3. Okay, listen. Are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Okay. Look at that. It's really small and it's so plain. Did students sit on them all day? Yes, they did. Children were smaller a long time ago. Really? I didn't know that. Okay, what's the answer? Should I read it again?
A chair.
Do you have a copy there? Are
No.
you sure? Are you
Yeah.
sure? Do you have a copy?
No.
No, you have? Okay. Okay, so the answer is
A chair.
chair. Very good. Number 4. Do you have there? Can you please read number 4? You don't have? Number 4. Okay, I'll read it. Listen carefully. Look at those numbers. They're very fancy. Yes, they used those numbers a long, long time ago. Hey, I know what time it is. I can't read the numbers, but they're in the same place as the ones we have now. What do you think is the answer?
A sink.
No. Again, I will read again. Look at those numbers.
A
They're
clock. A clock.
it's a clock. So there's nothing in here that has a number except a clock. So the answer is a clock. So we use clock to know the time of the day. Okay, let's go to number 5. Okay. Listen, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
A sink.
What? How did you know?
Cách cuối cùng.
How did you know?
Because is one a sink.
What? We
One
still have couch and sink. We still have 5 and number 6. Okay, I'll read the number 5. Listen. Look at that. It's small. It's small. Today they're big. Yes, I fall asleep on ours time. Ay, wait. Again. Look at that. It's small. Today they're big. Yes, I fall asleep on ours sometimes. Long ago, 2 people could sit on that, and it wasn't long enough to sleep on. I'm really happy I can sleep on mine. What is the answer? It says here that long time ago, 2 people could sit on that, and it wasn't long enough to sleep on. Han?